Good evening, family. Ham's Loft. Just got finished flagging the birds up. The cage door, I left the door open this morning. I don't know how, but I left it open. My wife called me at work, told me that the birds was out. I didn't realize it, but I see you got the little, they trying to fly together. Ain't the best, but we working on it. So pretty much everybody's up except for I think about 3. Let's see. About them 4 right there. Probably a couple that's in the inside. Let's get them back up. Got a couple of stragglers. Oh. I moved 2 of the 600-mile birds. I moved them out already. I think I got 2 more in there, but I haven't got a chance to really look at their ankles to find out which ones they are. I know they're not in that group right there. I know that. Because my old school birds, they don't fly that much. Beautiful day. Rain a little bit. It's probably about 6. Let's see. We're definitely making progress with the birds up. It's July 30th today. I think today is the 30th. But they're probably coming down in just a second. See them getting low. Got home, had to go to the grocery store. Let's hit the pause. It'll be coming down in just a minute. Got a few on the roof. Gonna hit pause while I get their feed together. Alright, I got the trap open. I might try to close it by the time I get in there. See what we got. Looks like we got one that needs the door open. He's got a red band on his ankle, so We know he's not a flying bird. He's just a spare bird. All right, got bit by the mosquitoes. We get them last two in, then we out of here. All right, comment, subscribe, do what you do. Peace.